Here's an absolutely stunning Golf GTi. Got a full VW service history. And over and above a standard GTi, you've got panoramic sunroof and keyless entry and start. This is in absolutely immaculate condition. And only 19,470 miles on the clock. All warranted and checked. You've got the winter pack with heated front seats, DSG gearbox with paddle shift, electronic handbrake, and there's your sunroof. It's a multimedia touchscreen with nav, and I don't think the back has ever even been sat in. Uprated sound system, a spare wheel, and underneath there is a subwoofer. So this was the very last of the Mark 7s before they were changed to the Mark 7.5. But there's not a mark on this car, it's absolutely mint. Call now for a test drive.